In this video tutorial, we will create a Muffin Builder slider and add a couple of slides into it. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and click on Slides from the left menu. Then click on Add New. Insert the title of the slide. You can also set a link. Make sure to paste the absolute URL path with HTTPS or HTTP. Depends if you have SSL or not. The target option tells you what will happen once somebody clicks on the slide. You can have it open in the same or a new tab. There is also an option for lightbox pop-ups, especially handy when you want to show a bigger image or a YouTube video. The description is optional, and it only displays in the slider style image and text, which we will cover in the next segment of this video. To add the crucial thing in the slider, the image, please click on the Set Featured Image link and choose the file from your media library. It is recommended to use image size 1630 by 860 pixels for best results. Once you have created all of your slides, edit the page you want the slider to show. Scroll down to the Muffin Builder and add a new item, Slider. You can edit it to see many options, from selecting a style to choosing the navigation options. Once you're ready, save the page and voila! Your slider is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, contact us at support.muffingroup.com.